Oh, the weather outside is fretful.
Brr, it's cold out there. Okay, so this is pretty much everything I need, right, Rocko, to get everything started, to get Operation Fret Polish, change strings, and make sure everything's working well. We'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. Okay, here is the patient, the Harley Benton TE20HH SBK. It's a left-hand model. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen the strings, take them off, and then I'll be applying painter's tape in between all the frets. Okay, the strings are off and loosened. I've kept them in so I don't lose any of the pieces down below here. And here we go. I had to use the truss rod. I made the neck as straight as possible. So the next thing is going to be putting on all the painter's tape to protect the frets. Okay, here we are. We're all dressed up and ready to go. Now I'm going to be showing you as close as I can here, just to show you how dirty this is coming out. All these, you know, you can really see the corrosion and so on. It's just little stuff that's from the factory. I've taped up as much as I could, including the pickups and the switch selector, because what can go wrong will go wrong. Okay, so after a quick go by with the 180 grit, everything's looking a lot better. Now it's on to the 480 grit. Okay, so here's a nice close-up of what a good job these erasers have done. They really made the chrome shine. So now it's time to clean and polish the fretboard. Alright, so this is how the fretboard looks up close and personal right after the polishing and the fretboard conditioning. So I'd say it's looking rather nice, and it's looking like it's ready to be restrung. Okay, after all is said and done, all the restringing, the fret polishing, the fretboard cleaning and lubrication, here's how she looks. Looks in great shape. I'll give you some tones in a sec. Okay, so by following a little bit of advice from YouTube and being careful, you can end up turning your budget guitar into something a little better. And I find the Telly is way better now than it was. And I'm really glad that I took the time to straighten the neck and check it out and make it better. It's great now. I can do a lot more with it, and I'm very happy with it.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.